Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 37 is a review of Nakaware Ori versus Kasane Ori. Okay, Naka means inside, Ware is divide, and Ori is fold. Let's start from Nakaware Ori. By the way, lecture 37 is only video, no slideshow. Okay, first, bend and mark the line. This is Nakaware Ori. Towards inside, divide the body and fold in the neck in this case. It looks like this. See, the neck is inside of the body, right? Then let's take one more example. Fold, the bend, and mark the line, and then towards inside to fold in. So the head is made now. As you can see, the head is inside of the neck. This is Nakaware Ori. Okay, let's take a close look. Okay, the neck is inside of the body and head is inside of the neck. Okay, now the Kasane Ori. Kasane means overlap and Ori is fold. And in this case, overlap outside. Fold, the bend, mark the line, and now towards outside, fold, divide and fold. See, the neck is now outside of the body. One more example, head versus neck. This time, head will be outside of the neck. Mark the line, and towards outside, fold. Okay, this is Kasane Ori. You compare two, the difference. Okay, Nakaware Ori, head is inside of the neck, and Kasane Ori, head is outside of the neck. Let's take a look for the body versus neck. Neck is inside of the body, and for case of Kasane Ori, neck is outside of the body.